Guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rita Owadiali. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. If you're a new subscriber and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming around to watch this video. Now someone says you like speaking English in your video, like do you even know how to speak pidgin? Okay, so just click on the subscription button and keep your notification on, okay, because I will be posting a video very soon where you hear me speak English. You know, when you're teaching, you're already getting used to, you have to be speaking, even if you make tabon, even if you make mistake, I mean, you have to be intentional. Aha, you see, that's the tabon now. You have to be intentional about not trying to make those mistakes. So yes, I can speak pidgin. Okay, I can. Okay, all right, so back to what we have for today. Yeah, I don't know if you watched my previous video on the verb avoir. If you've not watched the video, please, you can just slide into any of my videos and click on to watch the verb avoir, where I conjugated and where I explained the verb avoir. Okay, so we have another verb, which is the verb être. Now the verb être, now everything I will be saying will be written in the video. Yes, somewhere around the video. Okay, the verb être is the verb to be. Now someone begins to ask, to be how? Now I try to make this very simple for anyone that actually wants to learn the French language. See, it's like you're learning English, right? And you just have to just stick by the rules, and that's all, and you're good to go. Now, for example, you want to say I am a girl. Any sentence that has to do with the word I am, as far as I am is concerned, as far as you are is concerned, as far as he is concerned, as far as she is, we are, they are, and all of that, then the verb to use is the verb être. Now that's to say you're not just going to be using the verb être just the way it sounds. We are going to be conjugating the verb être. And that's not, conjugation is like a big word. Like, what is conjugate? Like, we're going to break it down. Like, we have to break it down and break it down in such a way we can use the sentence, or rather the pronoun and the auxiliary form of the verb être to make sentences. Okay, so now we go this way. Okay, I'm going to take it like very slow so you would get it. If you haven't, repeat this video as long as possible or as much as possible to get used to the pronunciation and the formation of these verbs. Okay, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay, I hope you got it right. Okay, all right, so now, as I always like to do, I really like to sing with these verbs, just conjugated form of the verb, so it will be very easy for you to remember. Okay, so we have je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay, now that's just basically the conjugation of the verb être. Now, how would you use it in sentences? Now, I would give just simple and easygoing sentences, okay? So, for example, I want to say, I am a girl. So, I can conveniently say, knowing the word girl is, okay, une fille. So, I can conveniently say, je suis une fille. Yes? Or I want to say, I am a boy. I can say, je suis un garçon. Okay? I use my je suis and with the word un garçon, and I'm good to go. Basically, you can use in these occasions, you can use the verb être to make these sentences, or you can go further. You can not just I am, you can also use the pronouns you, okay, with the tu es, and you can say tu es belle, you are beautiful, or tu es jolie, and so on and so forth. And your il est beau, elle est and just so on and so forth. So it's just for you to know other words you can use and just, you know, fix them with the right conjugated form of the verb être, and then you are good to go, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you've watched this video till this time, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.